Today we're going to talk about one little pedal for bass. It's called Bass Attack, made by Hartke, and you know Hartke, right? It's famous combo amps with the shiny speakers inside with aluminum cones. That's pretty much what they're known for. But so far we have in front of us this little pedal, which pretty much serves you two purposes. One is a direct box, and second is a simple tone adjustment module. So far what we see, it's a metal box made of two parts. Outside the shell, aluminum and steel, and 7 knobs on the top, 2 switches as well. It also has 2 outputs, and it has 2 inputs. I will return a little later to designation of them, but so far let's start it from simple things. Just check how it sounds. So far what we have, it's basically bypass signal that comes through from my bass, which is GNL L1000, made in 1983. The pickup is turned in a humbucker position. All the knobs up. So let's turn the effect on. So far we don't hear much difference. So from here we're coming to the explanation of what the knobs do. First of all, the mix knob, which allows to change the straight through signal from dry to wet, like on the effect processors. You can hear the difference. Then we start to play with tones. There is already a little bit of lows added. We can add a little bit of highs. I do that all the way up. We can add also the bright. Okay, so pretty much that shows other knobs still additional to which we have over here, which controls the shape, is still inactive until we engage this button over here. What it does is pretty much notches the certain frequencies and boosting others. So we can hear the difference like this. Sometimes it's getting extremely hard, so we better readjust this. Let's play with other knob, which cause harmonics. Pretty much it simulates a little bit of saturation. So I'll drop the level down. It's getting way too hot. I understand not everybody gonna use that, but for some, this might be a useful feature.